Okay, we are here in the beautiful Forest Park in Springfield, Massachusetts. And today, we are going to go digging for animals. We're going to dig under the soil. We're going to dig under grass and brush, and we're going to dig under old logs and other debris in search of wildlife. And I figured the best place to do that is not up here where it's dry, but right down in here. It's a little swampy down there, and that's where we're going to go. I figure that's our best chance to find wildlife. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, I've lifted up this log here, and usually under logs you can find some animals scurrying about, and here, right in here, is a little salamander. Just waking up. Doesn't like it out in the open, but there he is. Can't really tell what kind it is, he's got too much debris on him. But there is also a larger one around here. Oh, he's picking up. There he goes. Waking up. And okay, we're down here in a gully. If we're going to find wildlife, it's going to be down in here. I already tried digging into some dirt, and there was nothing to be had. Under a couple of logs, found some salamanders. The salamanders are out. No problem finding them. But other wildlife is proving a little more elusive. So I'm just going to have to keep searching. Okay. Gonna crack a stone here. I don't know what I'm going to find, so we'll see. We'll see if I can pick it up. Okay. There's a salamander. There. Again, there's plenty of those. And over here, we have, if I can get it, another salamander right there. Okay. But also is a shitload of ants. Get them in there. Oh, ants. A ton of them. Just a ton of them. Got the little nest in there. There's a big spider. Get the big spider in there. No, it's out of focus. There's a big spider in there. He's raising hell. He's kicking ass in there. He's going after all the little ants. There's an earthworm right there. Hasn't moved since oh, he's moving a little. And there's a salamander. Probably a little pissed off. Alright, well. Put the rock back. There we go. Alright, I'm about halfway up the hill. We go all the way up there, and it looks like this is going to be the digging for salamanders episode, because that appears to be all I'm finding. Salamanders and a bunch of pissed off ants. Okay, I'm at the top, and I just opened up another log, and as you can see, right there, there's some wood lice. They immediately run for cover. It seems like as soon as you Open him up there. This guy's not even moving. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there's your wood lice. Okay, we're heading up back towards the top part of the park here. I just wanted to stop here and show you this. This right here. Very old structure right here. Many, many years ago, there was a lot of action up top here. A lot of the Forest Park was up here. There used to be benches up there and a little walk through there. And there were steps coming down here. And you could hang out here. There's a little leftover bench right there. But that looks like there was a little fountain there of some kind. And people would be on the other side of that apparently and look out onto what I imagine here was a little bit of a little pond or stream running by here. Now it's all swamp. But you see a lot of that if you walk through the woods around here. Up around here in the back you see a lot of old remains of old park benches and such. So there's a lot of stuff going on up here that is no longer really used anymore except for bikes and people just transiting through on their way to the modern park, which is up this way. Okay, and that's it for our digging for salamanders episode. I'm not going to try looking for anything else today. Getting a little short on time. Got to go to work. Got to pay the bills. So that's it for now.